What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at Solana, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and the S&P 500. Specifically, we have some new technical indicators forming on these cryptos. Originally, we had noticed some sort of bull flag forming. We're still kind of in that, but we are forming some more constrictive descending fractals on a lot of the major cryptocurrencies. Originally, it was a bull flag, and you can see now that we've adjusted these ever so slightly. They more so form, they're kind of constricting here and getting very, very, very narrow as we head lower. And it's on a lot of these cryptos. Looking at Solana, we don't have it on XRP, but we do have it back on Ethereum here. You can see Ethereum forming this kind of bull flag. But again, a constricting pattern here as we head lower and lower and lower. These are typically bullish. They typically break to the upside here. And I'm excited to see the results of this with a lot of these cryptos. You can see Bitcoin as well is forming this kind of descending fractal here, heading lower on, to the downside. And at some point, they are going to reverse out of it. And I'm excited to get in on that. You can already see Solana is at a point where it's retesting price ceiling. And what we're looking for is a breach above and a rally upwards, which could come much quicker than you'd expect here. So keep your eyes peeled on this as we're battling a lot of major price ceilings and resistances. And once we see these breach and break through, we will see a long position on Solana. XRP looks very good. We're doing a descending broadening wedge pattern here, but again, we found a clear support. Almost looks like a double top. Now, if we can hold above here, or double bottom, if we can hold this above this support and we break through this price ceiling, we'll rally upwards. Otherwise, expect to see a big short opportunity. Ethereum looks ready for a rally. Bitcoin looks ready for a rally. I'm very excited with the way a lot of these cryptos are moving, and I'll give you more information on that in a second. We'll also look at the S&P, which I believe is doing this kind of higher low pattern here, and this might be it right now as we start to head even higher up. So I'm very excited across the board. Anywho, with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump right into today's episode. Super quick, guys, before we dive into the technical analysis, remember FAIRDESK is giving away futures bonus, free bonus money for those that do decide to sign up with the link down in the description below, up to 100K in free money for whales, and even more or scattered throughout, depending on how much you want to deposit and trade. But it's super cool. You can earn 100, 1,000, 2,000, 6,500, tons of different options, just completely free with signing up with the link down in the description below. FAIRDESK is a no KYC or VPN required website, which is super cool. So make sure to check that out down, like I said, below here. And I will be posting trades eventually when we do see that break on FAIRDESK, as we can do FAIRDESK copy trading, which is super cool. It's a way to post transparent trades for you guys to check out and follow along. Now, we've been waiting patiently, as I am a conservative trader, for the price breakout to come, and it hasn't happened just yet. But when it does on a lot of these major cryptos, that's when I'll be buying in and leveraging to the upside. So definitely stay tuned with that. Anywho, diving into the technical analysis, you can see here, I don't even know where to start because I'm so excited with the way these chartings are forming. Everything right now at this point has some beautiful technical indicators. There's no uncertainty. There's no confusion. There's no, there's nothing that would set off any alarms, as we don't have anything to go off of. We have clear-cut blueprints as to how these cryptos are going to be playing out. XRP, as we know, on a weekly scale, is in a much bigger kind of descending triangle here. You can see with the way this looks here, we have a huge wick, and every time we head up, it's lower than the last, but it fills in and constricts here. And we have a clearly drawn out bottom price floor here that we're retesting at this current moment. And what we're looking for is a reverse rally back up to here, which would be very easy to capitalize on. And that's really, truly where this market wants to move to. If not, and we dump, I mean, we'll take advantage of that too. It's totally fine. But jumping to the daily charts here, we are mainly focused on this kind of descending broadening wedge. You can see the lower high, lower low pattern here. And we have now found a price floor of certainty, which is very exciting, especially with the double bottom. If we can hold out on this, either get across the bridge and then see this price breakout, that will be huge. Otherwise, if we just, you have to be paying close attention to this price ceiling and the floor here, because that'll pretty much gauge which direction we buy into. If we break through floor, we'll buy in at short. If we break through ceiling, we'll buy in long. Either or, very simple, very easy. So just keep that in mind as they are, it's an extremely easy textbook opportunity here, and it's very transparent. It's nothing hidden, and it's not difficult. And the reason we look more for a reversal to the upside is because a lot of the other cryptocurrencies also show huge similar signs of this, nearing oversold, plenty of room to see upwards trend after seeing major correction. We're coming off a 15% dump. We're trading at 38 on the RSI, and we're below the moving average. Everything screams reversal. Same thing could be applied with Solana. Solana here, we've tweaked the chart. Originally, we had some sort of like bullish bull flag. We had a trending chart kind of like this. And since then, we've tweaked it because we noticed here that we are getting constricted and we are inside a descending fractal here. And this is a consistency. Check this out. I mean, Solana loves doing these. Here's the last one. And then we broke out, and here's an even smaller one that we broke out. So Solana loves doing these, and you can see we're currently battling it out right now as of today. This price ceiling and the downtrend here. If we can close above this green band, we close above 139, 140 here, pretty much 140. I would very much so expect to see a rally up to moving average, and then probably up to this point here at about 170 here, just a reversal. And it would just be playing catch up. It's not like we'd be breaking out and exploding to the upside. It would be just a mere reversal of catch up, not even a breakout. So that's what I'm excited about, because there's plenty of room to rally up. We were oversold, trading at 38 currently, bearish cross on the moving average here, and we are about to have a bullish cross on the Bollinger Bands, which is also super cool. I believe, what do I have pulled up here? I don't even remember. I'm pretty sure this might even be the MACD. Excuse me here. I forgot what I have pulled up. We haven't referenced it in a long time. Yeah, the MACD is what I have pulled up here. I totally forgot. But you can see I have the MACD pulled up here on Solana, and you can see it's right down here. And with this reversal that we're starting to see, what could be a bullish cross, that's exciting because that would gear us in a bullish opportunity that we are going to be coming off of this. You can already see we're battling out this resistance here. If we can confirm closure above that, that'll be that buying opportunity. Same thing goes with a lot of these cryptos. You can see Ethereum very low, trading at 37.38 on the relative strength indicator. Massive lower high, lower low pattern here. No longer is it a bearish movement here, but you can see we are getting constricted with the downtrend. 3 points of confirmation at a minimum on either side of these resistances and supports. We're battling out on this price floor here. If we can trend sideways and we can confirm closure above this downtrend here, we're going to see a major reversal, which it's almost textbook at this point that's what's going to happen. And that pretty much goes across the board with a lot of these cryptos. Lower high, lower low patterns, stair-stepping downtrend. Typically, these break out bullish here. So what we're looking for is confirmation closure above these moving averages, and then we should reverse rally back up to this kind of support, this yellow support you can see right here. So that's what we're looking for. I'm excited to see this happen. I think it's going to happen quicker than you guys might believe. We were just oversold. We are undervalued across the board, coming off of like a 15 to 20% downtrend. Every cryptocurrency is screaming signs that a reversal rally and a pull to the upside, a healthy reversal, not even a breakout, is almost necessary at this point for the longevity of a lot of these cryptos. And that same thing is with Solana. I mean, Solana just had a small couple-day reversal. This could be the end. We're not sure just yet. Or we'll head a little bit lower, but ideally we are in this kind of higher low stair-stepping pattern. And I wouldn't be surprised if it continues to pull stock market and all these other cryptos with it here. And that's really the takeaway that you guys have to pay attention to. If you see this otherwise, if you see a difference otherwise, like, let me know down in the comments below. A lot of you guys are a little bit bored, and I get that, but you have to be patient with a lot of these movements here, because at some point we are going to see that break, and it is going to be an exciting one nonetheless here. So definitely, stick around and pay attention to that. But with that being said, make sure to smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.